Please leave your message.
So every time the camera's on, bro, it happens every time.
Well, an answer means it's not ready. God, though.
Fíjate que no creo que lo hayan pintado todavía.
Y...
Es que no ha venido el sample maker, so déjame chequeo, espera. Es negro, ¿verdad?
Sí, solo negro. Pero,
Creo que hasta el lunes.
no, pues que para el lunes ya me cancelan la orden.
Oh,
No pueden ponerlo...
espérame un segundito. ¿A las 3? ¿Está bien como a las 3?
Sí, sí, siempre y cuando puedan hacerlo hoy.
Lo que me va a hacer el muchacho este.
Bueno,
Como a las 3 va a pasar.
bueno, listo, gracias.
Ok, bye.
That's tough, because now we won't be able to get the printing done today, and that's gonna have to happen Monday. The remaining crew necks like at 2 p.m. So obviously we're not gonna get it in time today. Like I'll get them to you by then, but we're not gonna be able to print. So when do you think we'll be able to print?
Most likely it's a Monday.
Monday. All right.
Yeah. I mean, 'cause I've been ready, but I was just waiting for that.
Yeah, I know. 'Cause, I mean, it wouldn't make sense to start on what you have now.
50.
I mean, if you guys have time, I don't mind like paying for that, just because like I had told them on Friday, and the dye house took too long. They normally don't, but like if anything, I can, like if you have a window to do it, I don't mind paying for the setup. Yeah.
I got some bear shit in the woods and wipe himself with a fucking fluffy rabbit.
You what?
Yeah, I got him.
Oh, okay, all right. I'm gonna go right now.
Alright, cool.
All right, bro. Thank you.
Alright,
What are you talking about? Fluffy rabbits?
This is a bird.
Yeah, my picture will be ready next week, Tuesday.
Okay, so like this Tuesday coming up?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye.
We'll also get hat samples in by Tuesday, which is super exciting, dude. Like first set of hats that we're doing. Been meaning to do this for a long time, but I just didn't have the right hat design that I wanted to do until last week. It finally hit, and I think it's gonna be crazy. So we get the fit on Tuesday, or like the actual hat shape. Then we're gonna give it a little bit of a treatment to make it look more vintage. Once we get that right, we know we're good. Embroidery is easy, obviously we know how to do that. So yeah, we're gonna run that. The goal is to drop that for Black Friday. So have a lot of product in the works, dude. It's honestly everything that I've learned this year is coming towards like this day. Obviously denim was a crazy process, took like 7 months to get it right. The hat, we've had like, it's crazy too when you realize all the people like we're doing the same like stuff in the same factories as Amiri, Rude, Cherry, Mad Happy, all these brands. So like you just see and you're like easy, bro, like easy production when he was doing the whole $20 hoodies, all these production pallets just sitting alongside the Thursday stuff, which is insane to see. Like obviously that's the type of stuff that inspired the brand back in like 2015, seeing all these brands pop and everything. So now being in the same facilities with the pallets of those brands sitting right next to my stuff is inspiring, and it's also annoying at times because when Yeezy's doing 100,000 units, your stuff is going to take a couple of weeks to get done, but you know it's cool at the same time. So see the jeans though? Thursday. You want them? Well, Thursday too. I'm not charging you. Oh, thank you. Just they're giving you the option. That's the best.
That's room, bro.
Check this out. It's almost the fucking color.
Dude, this is the
Yeah.
purple that I was telling you. Right here. Like this midnight blue.
That's more like the slate. Like the slate charcoal.
But it has some like
That's faded too.
That's kind of on that. Right? See you guys.
Oh, my dog.
You guys have a good one.
Say, bro.
These two are the standards. Thursday hoodie right here. And the sweater. Raft sweater from O2. Let's get to the lights. I really like the green, so we're running that green for Thursday. And then the blue for the blanks that we have coming out. So So the goal here is I want to do like different designs, but one of them will be a peace sign. Since you wear it on your head, it's peace of mind, you know?
Tight.
But want to do it like Thursday in Japanese, like a cross and rhinestones, like a few different designs. Just because this is too it's too bit boring. Like I don't really like this green too much. But I feel like if we add something to it, then the branding would make sense along with the design. So ponerlo aquí y probar. Para ver si se queda y ya después cuando confirme que si se queda, hacer ya otro molde diferente. Yo. The thing about LA that I much rather over like doing overseas, which I tried last year, if you have an idea and you want to like experiment, sometimes like that might be bad. It might turn out to be like not ideal, but like you get to experiment and try and error within like the same day sometimes. Obviously if like you've known these people for a bit and like, you know, like they pull some strings for you. Speaking Spanish here is actually a hack, because obviously we communicate in Spanish, there's culture, there's a lot in common, but the fact that we're gonna be able to see that idea within a couple hours it's great. So ¿Aló?
Sebastián,
Sí.
¿crees que puedas conseguir el size 26? Porque dice que no tienen labels size 26.
Sí, no hay problema, pero igual yo le puedo poner el size después, que pueden terminarlo y
Oh, ok, está bien.
que le pongan.
Porque va a ser, después es más difícil.
No hay problema porque posiblemente yo se les diga, bueno, solo son 5 pares, yo se les pongo esos 5 después.
Ok, está
Que,
bien,
que marquen con tiza o algo.
Ok, está bien.
¿Te dijeron para cuándo? Alright, so the boy Samba just hit me up saying that he has a crazy camera right now. He wants to shoot some stuff, so we're gonna pull up on him right now and see what we cook up for the denim.
Let's go.
Video, though.
We're about to shoot. What's up, Isaac? How y'all living?
Good, bro.
How y'all
There's some
living?
context on that camera,
So I
bro.
got some.
Tell
I
the
got some
story.
lotion, bro.
Nah, you good, bro.
There you go.
Shit, I need some, bro.
Bro, I'll give you all the context when we go to this. First thing we got to do is grab exposure on my boy. So stand right there. Look this way. Look up right here. My hand. All right, hold on. Come a little closer to me. Come a little closer to me.
Magic.
Yeah, right there, right there.
It's the Albert Einstein camera, bro. What the hell you got going on?
Hold that. Now we rip this shit right here. Slowly. Right there. Right, so the photo was in here right here. So right now it's like 78 degrees Fahrenheit. So we're gonna leave that bitch in there for 90 seconds. Slowly.
No way.
Nah, what?
Damn. Oh boy, that's that Gapsy photo.
Whoa.
Wow.
That's hard, man.
I'm about to put out a grenade.
So interesting. So this camera is for
Ve el otro lado. Muy agua, muy agua.
Looks super loose. The tightness to it. You know?
Why does it come off?
Because it's probably melting the elastic.
Oh shoot.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
back.
Well, first error.
Alright, so 5 p.m. We just got the crew necks and stuff from that first call that were supposed to be dyed black. Took too long. They were supposed to be ready at 3 p.m. It's 5 p.m. But, you know, that's pretty much how every day goes. Now, just got to drop them off at the screen print shop. I think they're going to work on it tomorrow, Saturday, which is great. So we'll be able to deliver them. And yeah, back to the crib, edit this video, lock in, and see what we're doing for the rest of the day. Hey, where you been? Oh, good. Just dropping off some stuff right here. What? Did you bring money?
I got it.
Like that.
I brought it for y'all.
You got it? Good.
Can I leave it right there? The bag?
What's that?
For Robert?
Yeah, did you write your name on it? Put a sticker on it. Well, okay, get a marker. Get a sticker. Otherwise it'll get lost. Or you could.
This is looking hard. Alright. Thank you, Robert. How's it going?
Thank you too. Bye.
Bye, Robert. You have a good day.
We're all done for the day. Our little road trip back home. Nothing crazy. Just a little 1 hour drive. That's what we gotta do.